In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 15-minute song in Suno AI. Suno typically creates music in shorter chunks, so the trick is to build a long piece by creating a solid bass, extending it in stages, and then merging everything into one seamless track. This approach shines for ambient music, lo-fi, meditation tracks, cinematic soundscapes, and other long background styles where a consistent mood is important. First, head to Suno Create. Log into your account, click Create, and choose Simple Mode. Simple mode keeps the workflow focused, which is perfect for building longer pieces. Start by crafting a strong bass track. Think loop-friendly and minimal. Use a concise prompt that sets a clear vibe and can repeat without calling attention to itself. For instance, you might describe a smooth ambient pad with gentle movement, a mellow lo-fi groove with warm vinyl character, or a calm meditation bed with soft drones. Keep instrumentation simple and avoid abrupt impacts or stark breakdowns here. Subtlety will pay off later. Generate your first track by clicking Create. Suno will give you versions to audition. Choose the one that loops smoothly, keeps stable energy, and avoids sudden changes. If the ending feels like it could flow back into the beginning, you're on the right track. Long-form music works best when the arrangement is minimal and textures evolve gradually. Now extend the song. Open the song you like, then click Extend or Continue from here. To preserve continuity, keep the same mood in your prompt. You can say, continue smooth ambient atmosphere with evolving textures and seamless transitions, or continue mellow lo-fi groove with warm vinyl texture and soft beat, or continue peaceful sleep soundscape with soft evolving drones and calming atmosphere. The key is to signal gentle evolution, not a genre shift. Repeat the extensions to grow length step by step. Take a 2-minute piece to 4 minutes, 4 to 8, and 8 to around 15. After each extension, give it a quick listen for consistent tone and clean transitions. If anything feels jarring, guide the next extension with a slightly simpler prompt. When you've built enough sections, combine the full song. Open the newest version and click Get Full Song or Combine. Suno will stitch every section into one continuous longer track, giving you a cohesive 15-minute piece ready for background listening, studying, meditation, or cinematic ambience.